Hi there, Melody from WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect portable coffee cup, this one's for you. This Kopmath double wall ceramic coffee mug is unique in so many ways. You're gonna love it. First of all, the pattern can never be completely duplicated. It'll be similar, you can get another one similar, but it's never going to be the same. So I love that fact. I also love the fact that it has this easy to spin and splash resistant lid. This lid has an amazing seal on it, so it's going to prevent spillage. You can control the size of the opening so you're not going to have all the hot coffee flooding into your mouth. This ceramic mug is made of high temperature clay and it has this beautiful smooth finish. It's great for microwaves, hand wash, or even dishwasher. It has an inner and an outer ceramic layer with air in between, so it's going to create some kind of insulating effect, which means you can have hot coffee, but you can touch the cup without burning yourself, even little ones. Take your favorite coffee mug with you wherever you go. This unique pattern makes this cup extra special, whether you're keeping it for yourself or if you're giving it to somebody as a gift. You're both gonna love it. That's my point of view.